Hello, welcome to Trendsi, the one-stop supply chain platform that empowers your fashion business through our agile supply chain. Why agile supply chain? Because inventory can be a big pain point and fashion waste harms our environment. When partnering with Trendsi, you can choose dropship, open pack wholesale, and manufacturing your exclusive designs with very low MOQs. You design. We help you produce on-trend styles with high-quality fabrics. We shoot lifestyle stock photos that are accompanied with in-depth product descriptions. We offer full-size run options. All of this easily syncs to your Shopify and TikTok shop with just the click of a button. Trendsi is the definition of customer obsession. We conduct rigorous quality control on every product you sell. Pack them with your branded invoice and environmentally friendly bags, and then deliver the package to your customers in 2 to 10 business days.
And with Trendsi as my backend, I'm able to showcase all the samples and go live. We're here at the Trendsi Live Selling Center, and I'm about to go live now. Hey guys, we're live. Welcome.
I've been really happy with Trendsi. I think it's the future, to be honest with you. To have to pay for a warehouse and to house thousands or hundreds of inventory and sizes that maybe are not so popular.
It's been a hard thing in the boutique world to not have access to sizes to have to order in packs. So that's been such an amazing thing for us to have more access and be able to make more money with those sizes.
The quality of the product is amazing.
And Trendsi has changed my business. In the last 3 months, my business has doubled from what it started.
We started out with drop shipping and have now switched over to the OEM process.
Being able to manufacture and custom design our own pieces has been such a phenomenal experience for us personally. Working with our team, the communication has been seamless.
What I love the most is we can have our designs to us within 3 weeks at the most.